Is it worth taking a course in digital marketing? Rhythm Anand says, digital marketing is an extremely recommendable course. It not only provides a learning experience but also has a variety of jobs that are way better than the boring office jobs mostly offered to you. Digital marketing course gives wonderful professional possibilities to its graduates, in India as well as abroad, because of the growing significance of digital marketing and competition in numerous multinational companies and commercial enterprise that have devoted digital marketing teams. Career opportunities after completing BBA, Digital Marketing, Programe, SEO Executive, Analyst, Digital Manager, Executive, Social Media Executive, Content Marketing Executive, Social Media Marketing Agencies, Digital Marketing Department of MNCs, Junior Marketing Representative, Sales and Marketing Executive, Digital Marketing Agencies, Internet Technology Businesses. Digital marketing courses are worth taking. Taking a course from a well-known training institute hiring other specialists to deliver the knowledge to students is a fast and effective way to build new skills and enhance their knowledge about digital marketing. You can also pursue BBA degree in Digital Marketing Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies offering BBA degree in Digital Marketing. One of my relatives has had studied BBA Digital Marketing from Manav Rachna and he is really doing good in his career. Jitender Kumar says, digital marketing is relatively new. Some people look for courses to introduce the subject and deepen their knowledge. It isn't more minor, and training is one of the most things that you need to achieve a comprehensive understanding of essential elements that become lead generation part. Besides, new advancements and tools come up every now and then, so there is always something to learn. You can head to DM Guru as it can help you at different moments. When you take the course, you can better understand the market and save time when deciding to learn other concepts. Diksha Kumari says, when I joined this course I had no clue about it. I heard from one of my friends that it's a good field and just joined here. But with time I realized it is actually a growing field. Because if we look around ourselves we are surrounded by the digital world. This field is always going to enhance a lot with time. Because of the high demand, the pay for digital marketing roles is also high. You can get better roles in the organization because of your expertise, which can help you enhance your salary. Thanks for watching our video on, is it worth taking a course in digital marketing?